Spending too much time cleaning? Whether you find it relaxing or a chore, the right tools can make the job more enjoyable. Roborock has several new automated cleaning solutions that can help clean deeper, faster. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets International, and I've reviewed more than a dozen Roborock devices over the years. I've handpicked my top 3 newest Roborock cleaners for you and created a bit of a buying guide. And since Black Friday is coming, you may be able to pick up some of these at a steep discount. I'll be taking you through what each of these top picks can do, what it's best for, and I'll show you how it can clean. I would like to say thank you to Roborock for being an ongoing supporter of my channel. While it did sponsor this video, I got to try these robots as I wanted, so these thoughts are all my own. A Robotvacuum and mop can take the sting out of daily cleaning. Watch as the new Q-Revo Curve S5X vacuums the floors to keep pet hair and crumbs from accumulating. But you can also use it to mop those daily dribbles too with its dual spinning thick chenille mopping pads which scrub at 200 RPMs, and it can adjust water and cleanser flow across 30 levels so the clean is always on target. When I first saw the Q-Revo Curve series, I was like, finally, a vacuum with a docking station that breaks away from all those big boxy designs. Sharp edges are nowhere to be found in the sculptural, all-in-one, multifunctional Dock 3.0, which both charges, auto-empties the dustbin, and self-cleans your robot. Inside the docking station cavity, you'll find a special module designed to clean the vacuum's mopping pads by drenching them in high-temperature water and spinning them until they're fully clean. If you've been checking out the Q-Revo Curve line, you may think the main downside of the line is its higher price, but Roborock was able to deliver almost all of the cleaning and the smarts and the cool design at a lower price with a couple of tweaks. It slightly reduced the suction power and it skipped adding the camera and the voice assistant. Even so, the suction here is still a whopping 18,500 pascals. The S5X model keeps the most important feature that defines the Q-Revo Curve series, and that's the dual anti-tangle system. Let's take a look. This anti-tangle system makes use of a uniquely designed Duo Divide main brush. It consists of 2 parallel short bristle rollers. You can see them here. They channel hair off the rollers and into the middle of the dustbin, effectively eliminating tangling, and that adds up to less maintenance and downtime. This detangling system extends to the FlexiArm side brush as well, thanks to its arc-shaped asymmetric design. Roborock made the decision to use this side brush with 2 arms and a rubber barrier at the end of the arm to prevent hair from getting wound up. Despite its more budget-friendly price tag, the Q-Revo Curve S5X can still handle uneven terrain and cross obstacles up to 2 centimeters. If you're willing to trade some mopping and docking station features for more savings, the Roborock Q7L5 Plus is one of the best budget vacuum deals available. The vacuum's suction power is 8,000 pascals, which is ideal for homes with lighter cleaning needs. This robot also uses a simpler dual anti-tangle design, which uses what's called the jaw scraper's comb and an anti-tangle side brush with curvy bristles. All of that helps to keep hair from tangling. The Q7L5 Plus uses a standard mopping pad, but it can still do both vacuuming and mopping at the same time with 3 adjustable water flow levels. While the mop may lack self-cleaning features, all you need to do is peel the pad off and toss it in the laundry. The Q7L5 Plus features LiDAR navigation, which helps it get around your house more efficiently. This budget bot can even store map data for different floors and automatically suggest no-go zones if it finds trickier areas. The L5 Plus version comes with the RockDock Plus docking station, which can charge your robot while automatically emptying its onboard dustbin into a sealed internal dust bag that can hold about 7 weeks worth of dirt. Plus, with a 150-minute runtime and easy scheduling in the app, this robot is a cost-effective way to have your cleaning automated easily. Power mops are a relatively new cleaning innovation, and some of them can be downright pricey. If you want the power of a motorized upright mop without the price tag, let me introduce you to the Roborock F25 GT. Take a look at what it can do. This cleaner can both vacuum and mop all at once, so it's an ideal solution for your floors. Use it to sop up spills, including mixed spills that can be tough to clean up, or use it day to day to keep your floors clean and shiny. It takes me less than a minute to run it around my kitchen each morning, and I love how it makes things look tidy all day. With 20,000 pascals worth of suction power in a surprisingly slim and flexible body, this cleaner also uses Roborock's same jaw scraper's comb design to combat hair tangling around the mop roller, and it works well. Plus, the Roborock F25 GT is one of the cheapest power mops I've tested that can flex a flat, full 180 degrees down thanks to its Flat Reach 2.0 design to allow for cleaning under low furniture and to get into other hard-to-reach areas. The edge-to-edge design of its cleaner head also means it can slide under toe kicks in the kitchen and the bath for a clean that can't miss. Maneuverability is also a strong point thanks to Roborock's decision to place the water tank just above the cleaner head so the machine feels lighter on the handle while still maintaining good-sized clean and dirty water tanks. And another great thing about Roborock's motorized mop here, once you finish cleaning, you can let the included docking station handle your maintenance. It has high-temperature self-cleaning and it'll wash the roller mop to eliminate sticky residue and combat unpleasant odors. Then it dries the roller to keep any musty smells from developing. Everybody loves a Black Friday bargain, so when it comes to getting top quality cleaning and the most bang for the buck, I think you'll appreciate any of my recommendations. Hit me up with questions about any of these devices in the comments, and don't forget to check the description box for current pricing and special offers or coupons. Plus, I've reviewed plenty of Roborock devices. If you want to check out some other options, you can watch these reviews right now.